What if I told you you can make an extra $1,000 passive income per month? I'm surprised everyone isn't shouting this strategy from the rooftops because it beats traditional dividend investing and side hustles by leaps and bounds. If you stay until the end, I'll tell you a hack the pros use to lower their risk and make even more profits. This video is not financial advice, nor is it a recommendation. Please do your own due diligence before investing into anything. All you need to start is some cash in your brokerage account and options trading on your platform. You're going to find the right stock and sell cash secured puts against it. A put is an options contract where you, the seller, agree to buy 100 shares of a given stock for an agreed upon price at or before the expiration date. In exchange for this option, they pay you a premium. The safest version of this approach is to stick with puts you can fully cover with the cash in your account, but some brokerages allow you to sell puts even beyond what you can cover. While this is higher risk, and I'm not recommending you take the risk, it can bring in more income. First, you need a good stock. You'll want one that has plenty of expirations and strike prices in the options chain. The stock can't be too bullish or too bearish either. The more uncertainty there is on the future of the stock, the higher the premiums you can get for your contract. However, too much volatility also increases your risk. A stock that mostly trades sideways with some ups and downs is great for this strategy. Once you've found the right stock, you'll wait for a red candle day when premiums are likely to go up and sell to open the contract. With this step, be careful not to pick a red day that's attached to bad earnings or negative news about the company. You want the brief pullback before the stock continues to go up the following days. After the contract is opened, you can set a buy order to automatically close you out of your contract if the premium goes down enough to justify closing. I try to shoot for keeping 90% of my premiums, but if I think the stock might take a turn for the worst, I'll lock in whatever profits are there at the time. For those who watched this far, here's your bonus hack. In the event your stock dips close to the money or into the money, and you're worried you might get assigned, you can do something called rolling the contract. Rolling the contract just means you buy to close your current contract, then sell to open that same contract for a later expiration date. This can be a good way to avoid assignment since most contracts don't get assigned early. You can also open the new contract at a different strike price if you believe that's the better option. If the price of the contract has risen enough to make buying to close a loss, that could mean the premium of the new contract at the later date has also increased, which might cover the loss or even increase your profits. If you like this video, you might also enjoy this one here on the screen. Subscribe to join the Cash Flow Club and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a single video.